There's some really big news in the tech world going on right now. China's biggest social network and gaming firm Tencent Holdings, which last week reported strong quarterly results, is close to making Malaysia the first foreign country to roll out its WeChat ecosystem. Now, the Chinese company is about to gain an e-payment license in Malaysia for local transactions, and it plans to launch early next year. So, what makes this move so big? Well, the move not only pits the Tencent brand against rival Alibaba Group as they scramble for new growth opportunities outside of China, but Tencent now becoming the very first Asian firm to enter the club of companies worth more than $500 billion. And not only that, Tencent officially surpassing Facebook in market value. Yes, Tencent now becoming a more valuable company than Facebook. It may be hard for those outside of Asia to understand, but in my own recent business travels throughout Asia, Tencent is indeed everywhere in China. But the focus is now on Southeast Asia, home to more than 600 million people and some of the world's fastest growing economies. WeChat Pay and Alibaba's Alipay dominating China's digital payment market, and they're looking to expand their global presence that has so far been limited to payment services for Chinese outbound tourists who can scan and pay for purchases in 34 countries and regions via Alipay and 13 countries or regions via WeChat Pay. And here's an interesting question and answer, sort of. One must be wondering about the challenges Tencent will have in its planned expansion. And the answer is, well, itself. First, Tencent's success in China may not be easily exported to other markets, and Tencent is in no hurry to speed up its overseas expansion or increase the monetization rate for its digital assets. For example, Tencent this month delayed the launch of the popular US edition of its Honor of Kings game, renamed Arena of Valor. It has been pushed back to next year to further polish additional gameplay and social features. But what may really help Tencent soar outside of China is WeChat, which has an open platform of mini programs and was a key revenue contributor for Tencent during the third quarter. Social and other advertising revenue rising 63%, while Honor of Kings, Tencent's top grossing battle game, led an 84% increase in quarterly smartphone gaming revenue, and also attributing its success to the network help of WeChat. Now, after games and social media, most of Tencent's other businesses are in digital content, including the Spotify equivalent Tencent Music and the YouTube equivalent Tencent Video, which also makes its own dramas. And with all this knowledge, we get back to the main point of this report. Keep an eye on Tencent, because it looks like it's just a matter of time until it starts making moves into the United States, especially when the company is more valuable than Facebook. Again, congrats Tencent, and I guess it's time to get Modern Wall Street on Tencent. Well, WeChat, or both of them. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinnen.